Morning everybody, welcome back. Plan for today is to give this thing the first car wash it's had in probably 28 years. We're going to use SOS pads on one side, like I've seen Steve from the Rust Farm use, and other channels you see use the Comet with a sponge. We'll do that on the other side. We'll compare the two and see which one works better. I have my lovely assistant with me here today. She's going to participate helping, right? Hey, you gonna help? Okay, that's good. That's enough talking for this video. Let's get at it and get to work. I guess a guy should say the point of this is just to rejuvenate the old paint a little bit. Like, it gets oxidated over time, so you get that oxidation off and brings a little shine back into that old 1954 paint job. SOS pad and a bucket of my iron-filled well water. That is only the finest iron-filled well water around. Taking a break, assistant? Okay. Hopefully the camera picks that up. I can't tell. This is the SOS side. This side hasn't been done yet. This feels like even nice and smooth. Or you can hear the difference. I'm sure you can see it. So now we'll Comet this side of the car and we'll compare. I have done way back in the 90s. I did the SOS pad trick on chrome on a 1980 GMC truck that, well, my buddy had and then I had later. But it works really good on chrome. You get a little surface rust on a piece of chrome, clean it up with the SOS pads, clear coat it if you want, and back in business.
Looked outdoors. I can tell my milk cow, I can tell by the way she lows. If you see my milk cow, please drive her on home. Oh, I'll drive on, help her in. 'Cause I ain't had no milk and butter since my cow's been gone. Well, you got to treat gon' need my help someday. Yeah, you're going to be sorry. Ooh, you treat me this way. Well, good evening.
Howdy, gal.
Don't that sun look good going down? Well, good evening. Don't that sun look good going down? Now don't your baby look lonesome when her lover ain't around? I've tried everything, baby, to get along with you. And now I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm going to stop crying and leave you alone. If you don't think I'm leaving, you can count the days I'm gone, 'cause you won't see my sweet...
Hey, well, the front is dry now. First impressions. The SOS, well, did its job as sold. The Comet also did a pretty good job. It definitely still feels a little rougher, and the Comet leaves, even rinsing it off with the hose, the Comet leaves streaks behind, so I'm gonna have to come back with a clean sponge, I think, and freshen everything back up. But yeah, the steel wool in the SOS pads definitely gets a little deeper in there. That said, I guess they both work, but it seems like the Comet is a little bit more, it's extra work, that's for sure. I'm not sure if the camera picks that up, but even down on the chrome, like, the Comet just leaves like a film. You have to come back and you're gonna have to clean that up. There you go. Do with that knowledge whatever you please. I think the SOS pad is a little better, a little less work, and it's quick. Comet definitely works, but you got to come back and clean it up. So I'll finish this up. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.